Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. I'm just making this to like have a formal introduction to myself because I feel like I really haven't done one. So this is Nerdy DNA. I like football. Sometimes called soccer, but who calls it soccer? Um, I'm I graduated and I did my IGCSEs, my AS and A levels with like a whole lot of pain. It was really bad, but I had some really good mentors teach me and show me the right way. So that's how I was able to get out of that dump and really focus on effective working. Because what I used to do is I come home, rest, eat, do all that stuff, and then from 6, pass papers till midnight. Like I do not kid you, till midnight. So it was really draining. And since I got good mentors, they taught me the ways that I need to use, and here I am now. So I just want to teach as a way of giving back to them and giving back to the community that has helped me so much. And yeah, that's why I started. And I also want to ask if you people wanted me to show my face, because I don't know, people say that you have a better personal connection when you show your face, but I'm a pretty shy guy, so I don't know. You guys should just express yourself in the comments, and I'll read every single one of them. That is, if people even watch this video. um so yeah, that's all I have to talk about. If you guys want me to do a Q&A video, also comment. We'll see. So peace out. I'll see you guys later.